Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Messenger. We go to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, we're scrolling down until you find this window of Messenger. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.